Okay, welcome back to a Blender tutorial on vertices, edges, and faces. Last time I said vertexes, it's actually vertices. So, yeah, try to place that in your mind. If you have not seen, if you haven't seen tutorial 1 yet, part 1, I mean, then, please do so now. I will leave a link in the description, hopefully, and uh, and also a link, uh, bleh, God, brain fart, sorry about that, uh, and also a, link right here. So, yeah, or somewhere on the screen, not entirely sure where. So yeah, now, let's get started. Hope you've seen the first video, explaining it. So, now, I'm on vertices select mode. So I'm going to select one with my right mouse button. And then, as you can see, there's two lines, like, literally right on the other lines. The red, green, blue. I hope you've seen X, Y, and Z already. If you haven't, then watch that also. I'll try to leave a link there, too. On that, too. So, anyways, did you see how I moved that? I hope you did, because I will do it again. Yes. So, what you do, you click on, with your left mouse, you click on any of these you want. Any of them. So, as you can see, I can totally mess with it. And now you are actually looking at the inside of the cube. Through the outside. Awkward. Anyways, right back to where it came from. There we go. So, anyways, you can do the same thing with edges. Move it side to side, back and forth. In this case, I have a very weird shape. Cool, right? So, yes. I hope you think that's cool, because if you don't, you're rude. Just kidding. And then you can also do it with planes. Wee, wee. Which is like a sixth of the actual thing. So you can do some really crazy stuff with it. You can move this in such weird ways. And is that parallel? No, that is not parallel to the ground. That is not supposed to happen. Did I rotate it? No. I'll try to... Oh, I know what happened. That's better. I put that up. Back to edge, to face select. Okay, so I can shrink it, I can make it taller, I can move it left, I can move it... Let me get to it. I can move it left, I can move it right, back and forth. I've already showed you up and down. And... let's see what happens. Oh, right there. You can even change it so the top is the bottom and the bottom is the top. Whoa. Awkward again. So, let me just get it back to its original state. There. Now it's back to its cube form. Now I'm going to show you another little trick. You can do it with anything. So, it is extrude. Extrude region. So you can click here or here. That's extruded region, that's extrude individual. If you only have one clicked, an extrude individual and extrude region does the same exact thing. But if you have two selected and they're next to each other, so what I mean by that is like that, and then I do extrude region, whoa, that's not supposed to happen. That's it. I didn't select an edge. I extruded the region. Why is extruding an edge, not just the 2 points? That's because if you do two that are next to each other connected by an edge, it also selects that edge. So if you want to get around that, you can extrude region. See? I mean, not region. What am I thinking? Individual. And then that only extrudes those two. So that's that. Now, I'll explain to you. You've already seen X, Y, and Z, I hope. So, I can press Z to go up and down, X to go that way or that way, and Y to go back and forth. So yeah. Now, another neat thing you can do is, no. If you just press E, it extrudes, region. So, I'm just going to extrude it up, and then I'm going to size it. Now, why is it moving both of them? It's a weird little thing that you can do. And so, as you can see, I have two selected. Well, not anymore. Now I have two selected. And when I extrude it up, so now I have two separate objects off of the same object. So, here we go. Pay attention. Don't pay attention this time. It's way off. Anyways, so you can size it. Now, what it does is it sizes it from the middle of these two objects. So if I size it out, so if I size it bigger, think of it like some object that's in the middle of the two, that when you size it bigger, it pushes the two apart. And when you make it smaller, it sizes the two together. So, as you can see, I can make it apart and together. I can even make them across. And all hail Croxia! No, I'm just kidding. And you can even extrude from there, and 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 make some pretty neat stuff. And, yeah, so, I just made a crazy structure. But wouldn't be too terribly crazy if it were built in real life. Just kidding. Very abstract. Okay, so now I'm back to just these. Now I can extrude the region and then press E to extrude the region, and then press E to extrude the region, and again get some pretty crazy shapes. E to extrude the region, E to extrude the region, and I'm still in vertex select mode. Vertices select mode. So but because I'm selecting the region, because it's the region, this point and this point are connected by this line, if you were doing geometry, that gives you the exact, that gives you, not the exact, that gives you, where it is and how it is. So yeah, I'm just like randomly extruding this everywhere. I'm gonna try to get that back now. So, it extrudes the line. It extrudes the line also. Now, I'm gonna show you subdivide. I love this. This makes my job 10 times easier. A Blender person's job 10 times. Actually, that'll be in part 3. So, look forward to subdividing. Thank you for watching. Yeah, that should be it.